Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. Here you can see we got the buy signal. Here you can see we got the buy signal and we open the buy trade here. And here we can see this is the buy trades here, and we will open buy trades here, and let's see. We will our target is around $500, and let's see. This is a very small count. Okay, and let's see. We are waiting for the buy candle actually. So far did not get the buy candle. Okay, buy candle actually, this is the volume candle. Okay, and the complete green mean buy volume. Okay, here you can see the buy volume, and you can see market going upside, sell volume, and you can see market going downside. So here we are waiting for the buy candle, and let's see. Hopefully soon we will get the buy candle. We are waiting for the buy candle. Still did not get the buy candle. Buy volume candle. Okay, let me confirm. Buy volume candle. We are waiting for the buy volume candle. Okay, that is actually good sign, and the market definitely will go upside. We will wait some time, and let's see. Still did not get the buy candle, buy volume candle. We are waiting for the buy volume candle. Still did not confirm. Okay, still did not confirm. Our target is around 500 to $1,000, and let's see. Our target here is one $500 to $700. Let's see, and hope so for the best. And yes, definitely we will get our target. Let's see. This is Fusion Market. Okay, and this is Xness. Okay, both real account. Okay, still did not confirm the buy volume candle. That's mean there is a confliction between the so, but that's fine actually. We got this signal, that actually a good confirmation. Okay, and the point is we definitely will get the buy signal. If we will get the buy signal, then definitely it will be a very good trade. Okay, but unfortunately we did not get the buy volume candle here. Okay, so we will take small profit because of we did not get the buy volume candle here. Okay, so that is the reason we will close our trade when we will get around 600 to $700. Okay, $600, that's it. I think we can close our trade. Okay, okay, we will book around $500, and here that is a very small account. Here we got the buy volume candle, and let's see, we will open one more trade here because here we got the buy volume candle. Okay, So we will open position one more time. Okay, let's find that is small trade here. Okay, we'll confirm here, and let's wait few minutes and let's see. Okay, signal is confirmed now, and now we will open some more position with small distance. Okay, we got the trade here. We will wait for the candle to come little bit below. Okay, we will open one more trade here. Okay, we will open one more trades here when if the market goes downside. Our target is again $500 to $700. Okay, and let's see here, and this is a very small count, so we will open one more position here. Okay, here we will open small position again. Okay, and in this candle, and now we will open some position. Now we will again we will target again around $500, and let's see, our target is around $500. Here you can see we got the buy candle, so that's why we take the entry. We got four buy candles for volume. There is some buy volume, so that's why we open our trade, and let's see. Still we are not in some good profit, just waiting. Now we are some good profit here, and now let's see our entry here. We are not in some good profit so far here, but we got some good profit now again. But our target is this count. Okay, our target is around more than $500. So when we will get the $500, we will close the trade. Okay, we are still waiting. Okay, here we got around $7 profit. That's it. That is a very small count. Okay, and here we will our target is $500, and our target was achieved, but here just wait few minutes and let's see. Our target is $500, and 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 okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay, still we will wait some time to achieve our target. Just wait few minutes and let's see. $400. XNS real account. Okay, 400 $500 target achieved. Now we will cross the trade. Okay, now balance in just few minutes, as you can see. Okay, but here you can see there is a buy volume, so you can see market going upside. So in this way, just by using this indicator, or I am not using this, there is a lot of indicators, but this is important one. Okay, and this is free of cost, available on all the brokers. Okay, MACD and CCI and RSI, three indicator in just one panel. And when you can see, there will be this is the upper level, this is the lower level, and when the CCA candle come upside from the upper level, and this MACD candles come below from this line, then it will give you some good profit here. Here you can see this one, and you can see it give averaging good profit. Okay, so this is free of cost strategy, and if you need this one, yes, you can contact me. Here you can see our target achieve. Here this is a huge good volume here actually, so we will open position, buy trade. Okay, in this point. Okay, and at this point, when you will see there is a good volume, so you can go for the buy trade. Okay, any query or any question you can ask me. Now the video is very lengthy. Now the purpose of this video is just need to show you how you can trade and how you can get a lot of profit. Okay, you can see the volume is green one, and you can see market going upside. Okay, this is a live demo. I am not showing previous knowledge. Just you can see this is the live account, live trading, and each and everything. Okay, so if you need any, if you have any query or any question, yes, you can ask me. Let me show you my contact details. If you need my indicators, you can contact me. Let me show my contact details here. WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. I have a lot of indicators. TradingView, in TradingView, or MT4, or auto trading bot. You can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. Write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. For further query or any question, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye. Take care, and any question or now it's time to subscribe my channel and like my video.